What is up everybody, my name is Rahul and in this video we'll be looking at a challenge called Programmers Hate Programming. So challenge description says that just a little different than normally, we have been provided with a link and a source code. So yesterday while I was solving this, I couldn't find the source code, but today they have provided us with the source code. So let's just type in nano programmers hate programming, and as you can see, so it will be a post request. And first of all, what will happen is, if you have something called this in the query, then it will replace it with a blank space. Again, if you have this ending part, if you have this part, which means that if you try to inject PHP code, it will just replace it with blank. You cannot try XSS normally because of the script tags that have been removed. And if you just try to find flag or write flag, it will be replaced with a blank. So today we are really lucky that we have this, but yesterday while I was trying this, I couldn't find any of this source code. So the only option left for me was to leak the source code. So I'll not tell you how I leaked the source code, because as of now it is just pointless, because they have provided us with the actual source code. So as we just saw that anything ending with this has been blocked. So even if I do this, this is not blocked, this is blocked, but if I do this, this is not blocked. So I can simply run system commands on it. So this is it. Let's see if this works, and you know that this will be removed, but for just our sake I'm just writing it. And as you can see, these are the files that we get. So if I were just to type in flag, you can see that I do not get the flag. But I talked to the owners of this, or I talked to the Discord, and they said that the flag was in the flag.php file. So I tried a couple of these things before talking to them. I tried flag.text, flag.html, and flag and everything, including flag.php, but I couldn't find any such thing. But just to let you know that if I try this, because the flag was not in the normal or usual directory, so tag a, if I just did this, so this will look for the files in the root directory. So as you can see, I get the flag.php file right over here in the root directory. But now, as you know, that the flag has been sanitized, so even if I write in flag, it will be replaced with the blank space. But there is a workaround this. So for example, if I were to just type in flag, it will be replaced with a blank. But what if I were to type in FLA and FLAG and then G? So you know, it will just look for flag, so it will remove this part, and what will be left is this. So I can use this functionality. So let's just use this, and let's just type in cat. We know that it was in the root directory, so root slash for the root, and FLA and FLAG dot php, and just for our sake I'm adding this, otherwise it is not necessary because it will automatically remove it. And as you can see, we get quite a big flag. So this is how I found the flag.